Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to print all columns on one page in Microsoft Excel. So easy and simple way to set up this setting. Just click on File and Print, and here is the setting. Click on this drop down and here print sheets at their actual size. So the first option, and also guys you can select this setting, fit sheet on one page. So select it, and there are some more options like fit all column on one page. So select as your requirement from this setting and just print it So this is the way guys you can print, and you can change settings in print for Excel. So thanks for watching.